Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to organize Google Photos. And let's get started by opening Google Photos application. So the first option to organize is to add the photos to the album. So you have two options how to do this. The first one, you can click at the plus. Then, right here, click Album, select Photos, and you need to select some photos. Let's say this one. Click Add. Now, let's give it a title. Let's call it Test. And OK. And now, in the collections, we have albums. So, right here we have the test. The second option to add it to the album is to select some photos again. So let's say I wanted this one, and right here at the bottom you will have add to album. So click at this button, then you can select one of the albums what you already use, or you can click at the plus, then give it a name. Let's call it test2, and then we just add it. So we have it. Okay, the second option how you can organize your Google Photos is to favorite some photos. So let's say you like this photo, this is your favorite, you can click at the star. Now let's select the second one, let's say this one, and now you can go to the collections, favorites, and right here we have these favorites photos. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!